Are we bothering you?
That's you with a flashlight. Could you get away from it and turn it off, please? Thank you. Now we saw that. That's a good way for you to communicate with us. Come on, man, we can't see or hear you. You have to give us some sort of evidence that you're here. If you go near one of our lights, like that, you know you're here. Thank you. If that was you turning that on, we appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you could answer our questions using that light, that'd be great. So, when you feel like it, get away from the light.
So back to the question. Do you enjoy working here? Okay, can you shut that off, please? Did you think you deserved more money?
Thank you.
Are there any Negro employees here with us right now? Feel free to come forward. Would love to talk to you. Turn a light on if you're here. Go to one of the red lights and tell us your answer. Please don't be shy.
Can you turn the light on if you like your boss?
Yeah, there's a lot of trains that go by here.
It's okay. No one likes their boss. Yeah, there it is. I don't like my boss neither.
Me either. You'll see a bunch of lights around here. We can't see you or hear you. If you go to the red lights and talk, we'd hear you. If you go to the green lights and the flashlights and get near them, they'll light up. So we ask you, please don't be afraid, don't be shy. We want you to feel comfortable and answer a few of our questions if you wouldn't mind. Now, like I said, my name's Ken, and we'd like you to come over here and tell us your name. The first question I have, okay, thank you. You turn it off now? Please turn that off. I'll give you a minute or so.
Are we interrupting your work?
Flashlight.
Yep.
If you're an Afro-American worker, can you please light up the light so we know? We mean you no disrespect. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Now, just to reaffirm that question I asked, can you turn the light off, just so I know it's probably you? What I do is totally get away from the light and turn it off for me. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you hate your job, you turn the light on. Come on, man. Nobody likes to work. You gotta turn that light on. You hate your job, turn the light on, please. Thank you. How about your boss? You hate your boss? I won't tell him. Thank you. I figured you did. We all hate our bosses too.
Oh my god.
Okay, turn the light off, please. Get away. We got more questions for you. Get away. Thank you.